Hey you sexy bitches, so thank you so much for tuning into today's video. So today we're gonna be doing a lash review. I went on the hunt on Sephora. I was bored, it was late at night, and I was like, I need new lashes. Let me go ahead and look at House of Lashes because they collaborate with Sephora quite often. I saw that they had like 3 new pairs. They're all like crystal names. I looked at them and most of them, if you have deep set eyes, the ones that like flare out at the ends make your eyes look small, and I don't like that. And those were 2 pairs. Now the last pair I saw, I was like, yes girl, I need that. And it's the pair I'm wearing today. It's called Rose Quartz. And of course, these lashes are cruelty free. They're fox mink, I believe that's what it's called. And this is what the packaging looks like. And it's called Rose Quartz, and they retail for 15 bucks. Now, 15 bucks is quite steep because Ardell's are cheaper. Most House of Lashes are cheap. They're like $12. So I was like 15. I was like, girl, you better work. So like I was saying, when you have deep set eyes like me, eyelashes that flare out the end make your eyes look smaller, so you want them to be all about the equal lengths throughout your whole lashes. So as you guys can see, these don't really flare out. They're all pretty much like the same size all around. If anything, they're a little bit longer in the middle, which is something I like. So that's just a tip if you have eyes like me. Eyelashes that are equal all around look better on our type of eye. Now, one thing that you have to keep in mind with these lashes, I've had many House of Lashes. They have a very thin but stiff band. So it's not as heavy as like Lily lashes with the band. It's very light, but they are also very hard, so you do have to like go like this to the eyelash in order to be able to place them on correctly and them not move. Another thing is the inner corners. I don't know what it is about all of their lashes that I have tried, but they always lift in the inner corner, and that is like very, very annoying. These always lift like within, I'd say, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours they start to lift, and that is something that is a drawback about the House of Lashes. Now these, I had to trim like not the lashes but the band, like it peeks out a little bit, so I always have to cut that or else it like really irritates and pokes my eye. And I found that across their eyelashes that is something that I've always had to do with them. So that is a tip. If you want to purchase House of Lashes, you will always have to cut that like extra band that sticks out. So these are 100% premium synthetic. It's a multi-dimensional lash which offers a subtle glamour with medium density layers, and it's perfect for any dramatic look. So I definitely agree with that. I think they are very, very natural, but they are also very glamorous. Like, it's subtle, it's chic. You just want to be extra. You want to be a little hoey? You can with these lashes. Like, these lashes I absolutely love. I have actually purchased like 5 pairs, and let me tell you, I really like these lashes, and my husband loves these lashes. He's like,
these are my favorite lashes. I know you're a Mykonos girl, but these are my favorite lashes.
And I really do like them. I feel like if I look on the side, I don't know if you guys can see, but they're like a little fluttery. They look natural. Are they hers? Like I said, the drawbacks are they poke in the inner corner. They're a little too stiff that you have to like work them and make them more flexible, but they are very easy to put on after you do the steps. I know it's a hassle, but I don't take more than maybe on a good day 5 minutes, on a bad day like 8 minutes. Okay, so if I were to rate these, I would rate these a maybe like 4 daisy heads, just because it is very irritating to do those extra steps and cut the excess inner corner band. It's just a little tedious. Nothing crazy, but it's just a little bit tedious. But yeah guys, I definitely do recommend these lashes. I think they are very beautiful, and if you just want a more subtle but glamorous type of eyelash, I really think these are it for me. Like, I like have to stock up on more than just 5 because these are limited editions, so that means when they're gone, they're like gone. But I definitely recommend this style and House of Lashes overall too, guys. And if you guys have any other questions, leave that down below. But yeah guys, as always, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, join our community and go follow me on Instagram. And as always, have yourselves a great day. Bye!